making, and it's basically all built from scratch. We bought an engine. That's the third engine we bought because we didn't know a lot about flatheads. First one was a Lincoln engine, which they put in the trucks. It was a bigger engine.
Okay.
And then we bought another one from Romania, which again we didn't realise you couldn't bore it out because the cylinders weren't enough meat between them.
Yeah.
So we ended up with Royal Customs sourcing the block and boring that block. So they built that engine from parts basically.
So this is 4.5 litres?
4.3 I think it is.
4.3.
4.3.
But presumably all lightened and balanced and...
Yeah, it's let's say the different pistons. I think the crank's different. It's about 40 hours of porting in the block because it's a side valve.
Yeah.
The heads are different. It's all set so you could run a supercharger on it, basically, to an extra 100 horsepower.
So what's the carburation on it?
The Strongbirds, I think, and they on them. I'm not sure. Yeah, Strongbird carbs. Again, you can have either 1, 2, or 3.
Okay.
So that we bought 2 on it, and stock form they're about 100 horsepower when they come out of the factory.
Okay.
That one's about 180. So it's not, you know, it drives nice, especially on that late 5-speed T5 box.
Yeah.
I think tick over is you're just over tick over is about 60 mile an hour. It's beautiful. It's just like
Well, when we had the Napier Railton up at Bicester for the Super Scramble, it was, they said everybody had to get out the way because at tick over it did 26 miles an hour.
Yeah.
With a bump start.
Yeah, it's on a bump start. Well, this is, like I say, very much like that in Top Gear. So we tried to recreate how they built the original ones with the open gearbox. Basically, all you sort of sat on bits rather than the actual chassis.
Yeah.
Underneath is just a skin, so you don't stand on that. So yeah, exactly the same really, but the bodywork, rather than have a wood frame, it's all self-supporting.
Okay.
So it's got all like these.
And presumably, was the chassis something you built from scratch?
That's, believe it or not, it was laser cut plates. And
yeah.
I basically boxed it. So I put 2 halves together, made up all the outside, then went round, welded it all, straightened it all up after.
And we're back to our sculpted brake air intakes as well.
Yeah, that's the ones I just worked on this week.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So did you do all the back plates and the drums and?
Yeah, Larry machined all these out of solid billet, same as these. We got cast transit drums in them, so it's heated in on the alley.
How's it going then, mate? All right?
Yeah, not too bad.